Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Ghatyal, professor, educator, personality development trainer, and coach. I'm also a motivational speaker. I have started a series on selling me to myself, in which the session which I am going to discuss now is on professional appearance for ladies, girls, and women at their workplace. So let us discuss further that as we know that in today's world the competition is too high, and in modern business world it is highly essential to adhere with professional appearance and grooming at the workplace. Your appearance is a reflection of professionalism. Looks certainly do matter, and if you look good, you feel good, you will boost and enhance your self-esteem, self-confidence, and personality. Attractively dressed and groomed person give a positive impression on others, and they act favorably for them. For girls, let us now talk about how we will dress up in at our workplace, and these are some of the photographs in which I have shown you the variety of dresses which girls and ladies can wear at their workplace. Now, some of the photographs are showing the shirts we have in the Western dress, and in some it is showing the Indian formal style. As we are talking about the dresses in the formal wear in India, so let us discuss some of the Indian wear in these slides also. For girls, I think shirt or top should be light and subtle color. They can also go for Indian outfits, and they can wear well-fitted long kurta with trousers too, or leggings. But that should also be preferably simple and sober, with no dark and glittery embroidery or prints on it. The shirt should have good fitting. Please try it before buying. Iron it regularly. Better to buy good branded shirts as they have nice fittings. Now let us talk about the formal trousers and skirts. We should remember that trousers should be well fitted, comfortable, with proper length. They should buy trousers according to their body, shape, age, and profession in which they are. Please avoid ankle length trousers as it does not come in formal wear, and when your skin shows in between your foot and the ankle, it gives an untidy look to your whole professional look. So please avoid it, and you can wear and you can go for skirts too, but prefer knee length skirts. Now here is a formal full look of girls and ladies. I have given you the options for the Indian wear as well as the Western wear, where I have given you the choice of wearing pantsuits, skirt suits. You can go for saris, you can go for salwar suits also. But here we must remember that if we are wearing pantsuits or skirt suits, then it should have conservative neutral color such as black, navy, or brown. If you are going for Indian wear, then you can go for cotton and silk saris and suits with sober, subtle colors. You can go for bright colors also, but it should not have a very shiny look. And make a good combination of all the accessories and makeup with it, and give a smart overall look to you. Now let us talk about the hair. It is a very important part of your personality. It gives a very neat and tidy look to it. So although girls have a lot of variety of hairstyles, but we will try to cover off some of it. We should always remember to have well-groomed hair in a conservative cut, such as bob or soft layer with proper color in it. If you want to have long hair, you can tie a bun or a ponytail. You can keep your hair open also, but that should always give a tidy look and you are able to maintain it for the whole day. Then only you can go for it. Now let us talk about the footwear. Now again we must remember that footwear is very important because it's changed your walking style. So you must go for that footwear which is very comfortable. You can go for bellies, you can go for comfort shoes, sandals, high heel sandals also you can go for depending on your job requirements. If you are preferring some heel, then that heel should be very comfortable and should not make sound which is very disturbing. Avoid too shiny and colorful footwear please. As ladies avoid socks, so they must take regular pedicure. Let us talk about now formal bags and watches. Girls can buy some sober leather bags online which has a tag of office bag. A structured bag tends to look more professional than something soft or floppy. The color of the bag should be coordinated with your shoes if possible. We should prefer leather belt watches. You can go for metal belt also, but that should also have a simple sober dial and should match with your dress. Now let us talk about very interesting topic, and that is jewelry and makeup. Many people are confused that whether we should wear jewelry and makeup at our workplace. So I will be giving you simple tips that how we can make a good combination of our jewelry and makeup to give a professional look. I think jewelry should be very simple and it can be a diamond piece or we can go for nice stone earrings also, which should complement with your attire. Please avoid bangles, anklet, etc. You can go for bracelet. Then it should not give a chunky look to your personality please. So when we are in a dilemma that wearing makeup every day or not, then we must remember that makeup surely elevates our confidence level by enhancing the appearance. Whatever you do, always remember that striking the right balance is important. One unsaid rule for office makeup we all will agree is that piling on too much makeup is a complete no-no. The idea is to look as natural as possible. If we talk about the nails, then which is also a very important part of discussion, nails should be very neat, clean, and it should be having nail polish, but that also should be very neutral, natural, and of light color. In the end, I must say that for ladies, that you try to attract people through your professional look, but don't try to distract them. We must remember that our appearance makes a strong statement about our personality, values, attitude, interests, knowledge, ability, roles, and goals. I hope my video was informative, and if you like my video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe it. Thank you so much. I will surely see you in my next video soon. Okay then, bye bye. Take care.